And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it. I don't want that no for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. I ain't no little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back, y'all. So y'all, this is the start of the vlog. Me and my
we got a list?
Yes, remember I made the list?
Yeah, for sure.
But me and my man, we're in Walmart right now, y'all, because we're going on a camping trip tomorrow. So we're about to get all the food and stuff.
So what kind of steak you want?
We're probably gonna get ribeye. Ribeye.
These look like the shits in the video.
Yeah, that's why I told you it was ribeye.
Oh.
They have to all pretty much got it figured out.
Pretty much got it figured out. We're just trying to pick the best one. I appreciate you.
So pretty much to pick the best one is the one with less fat.
I feel like neither one of them got hella fat.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
This one looks good. This one mine.
That's fine.
You feel me?
These both look, yeah, those both look even.
That's what I'm with. This one definitely bigger, but like they do.
Yeah.
So we just get these.
Alright, Ray Babe. So y'all, new day, new vlog. Sorry, y'all, I'm driving right now. But y'all, new day, new vlog. It is the next day, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the snacks and stuff that we got later. But y'all, I just got me an ice cap and a bagel from Tim Hortons, y'all. I'm about to go to the Dollar Tree to go get some seasonings for the food. And oh yeah, I gotta look for some paint stuff because we're gonna paint while we're out there, y'all. And then I have a lash appointment at 1:30. It's currently 12:04. So I'm trying to wrap everything up by 1 p.m. So yeah, y'all, that's the update. I'm just going to the Dollar Tree, seeing what I can grab from there. And then if I still need more stuff, I'm gonna go to Walmart to go get the rest of the stuff. So yeah, y'all, that's my update. Yeah.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home.
Alright, babe. So y'all, I'm back in the car and I got hella stuff. So I'm about to show y'all what I got. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 canvases because we're gonna paint, and I got cups. I got some plates, and I got this candle. It smells like apple cinnamon. And then I got some bread and butter pickles, because we got like some meat cheese and crackers, and I love bread and butter pickles with that.
And I got some onion powder, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, this barbecue sauce because we got some Broward sauces, whatever it's called. And then I got some garlic and herb seasoning, and some chopped onions, and some Italian seasoning.
But y'all, it's 2:36, so I'm about to see how far away I am from home, because I do gotta grab some things at home. So if I got enough time to go home before my lash appointment, then I'm about to do that, y'all. But yeah, so that's the update, y'all. Alright, babe, so y'all, I got my lashes done. They look so good. But y'all, my man got me a gift, so I'm gonna even though I already know what it is. Look how cute. Aww. Baby, so good with your work. You got me candles?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Y'all.
That's one I just like the smell. So.
5 o'clock somewhere. Smells like adulting is hard. I'm happy, and it's an hour cocktail hour. That's cute. Oh yeah, I do like this.
Yeah, I think
Oh, thank you, babe. I know I got us a candle for the room too. Yeah. Oh my god. Love y'all. Oh my god.
Like it?
Yes. It's so cute.
I had to buy it twice.
I know. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. Oh, I love this. And I don't have like cursive like this. Oh, look, it's a Kurt regular. It's so pretty. Oh, yay, y'all. New pair. Thank you, babe. Alright, y'all, so we're like 45 minutes away, but y'all, we just put up to McDonald's. We about to get something to eat real quick. And yeah, y'all. Thank you.
Oh, I see you too. This is the one I want to see your eyes.
You got points.
Let me see. I'm a boss. I ain't no worker. I have them dirty for me. Oh, okay. Let me see.
No, I like it up here. Hey, you gotta get your points.
What do I do?
Go like this. And then 2, 4.
1 to 5. For I see you too long. You said first time I wanna see.
Need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Found me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down.
Alright, y'all. We just pulled up. Check mark.
5, 6, 7. This is nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the kitchen.
Yeah, I know. Oh, what's this? Oh, these is lights. Okay.
Would have been so nice to be here during the day.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here's our s'mores.
Okay.
Y'all, it's so nice here. You like
Some
it, babe?
radio?
Yeah.
It's cool.
Oh, we got Bluetooth.
Yeah, they got forks and shit here.
You like it, babe?
Yeah, I love it.
Happy Sweetest Day. Oh, the lighting.
Oh. Alright, let me go grab the food and shit.
Wait, babe, let's just... Oh, look, they got clones.
Yeah, that's good. And they got knives and all that shit.
Is this the fridge? No.
Fridge right there. Right in front of your face.
Good thing we didn't bring a cooler.
Yeah.
Oh, they got paper towel in here, too. You want to put the back on?
Yeah.
Wait, grab my phone.
I like that. Mmm.
Nice. Get the shower. This is so nice, babe.
Thanks.
I wish I low-key booked another day.
How much did it cost?
The room? Alright, babe. So, y'all, it is hours later. Just cooked down. Literally, y'all, this is our food. We got steak, shrimp, mashed potatoes, broccoli, and this little cheese sauce I made. So, yeah, we finna grab. What's up, Ray babe? So, y'all, it's the next day. We ended up extending the cabin stay, so we stayed another night, y'all. Y'all, my lashes look so good, but let's head open. But y'all, right now we're sitting by the campfire. And y'all, we're about to make some s'mores. Babe, you think you can record me?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make my s'more. So I just roast the marshmallows in. They don't smell like the marshmallows I remember. Oh, I love marshmallows.
I feel it.
So y'all, I'm gonna come back and show y'all my s'more. Y'all, look at my s'more.
Oh shit.
Yeah, my chocolate didn't even melt.
I just did. I put it in the fire. Oh shit, babe.
What? Oh my goodness, babe. But it is what it is.
Hey, help me. Yeah. Hold it right there and just.
What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, the last time y'all saw me was when I was doing the s'mores, y'all. It's like a week later. It's Halloween, y'all. I just got out the shower. I'm about to do my hair, y'all. Me and my man are about to go to Chili's. He wanted to go to Benihana's, but I wanted some Chili's. So I got my little Halloween sweater and then these fluffy white pants, y'all. And I'm about to do my hair. Hopefully it turns out cute. I never did this style before. Just a little something quick and simple. But yeah, y'all, that's the update. Alright, babe, so y'all, I didn't end up doing the hairstyle that I thought I was gonna do because it didn't look right. But y'all, so we ordered our food.
Banging on y'all.
We ordered our food and
So you gotta let me know when your hair slip out this bitch.
well, yeah, y'all. We ordered our food. Y'all, we had a whole altercation at the other one. They was on some weird stuff, y'all. Some hating stuff. It's really all that'd be, though. Yeah, y'all, so we're just waiting for our food. I ordered a triple dipper and a cheeseburger, and then he ordered 2 triple dippers. And y'all, my hair actually looks cute. But yeah. And I got my Coke. So yeah, no, that's the update. I'm gonna update y'all when we get our food.
But you should have watched that movie with me the other night. Go go hunting. I do.
Y'all tell him he need to be saying.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it at the gravy.
That's why he didn't click the button. Y'all, he's a hater. He plays as a fan, but he's a hater. Alright, babe, so y'all, we got our food. This is my triple dipper and my cheeseburger. Yeah, so we finna grub. Alright, babe, so y'all, we ate our food.
We had a little sex.
But yeah, y'all, so this is, can you pause it for a sec? But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, y'all. This is our first Halloween together. Or spending it together. And yeah, y'all, the food was good as fuck. And yeah, I got work tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, y'all. I'm trying to be on my consistent stuff again. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, love you all so much.